This is the first step, and then take off the lift the center wings. Lift the center wings to a position that you can install the chassis. Now set up the stage stage floor.
Okay. Alandi.
Yeah, and the logo we will
Alandi.
yeah, for the logo we will make it tomorrow. And is it okay for make our SINOSWAN logo in a small angel?
No. Just use what we brought to you.
Okay, just your logos, no our logos.
Okay, I'll find out and give you the feedback.
Okay.
But the lights, do you have the brighter ones or all our street lights?
Yeah, lights. Yeah.
I mean, is it the street light or we have the brighter ones?
What do you mean?
The one that will bright the whole space.
Yeah. Whole space. Yes.
You have brighter lights.
Yeah. All the lights in the packing list, in the list, you have bought. We will make it on.
Okay. Thank you. Hello, Andy.
Yeah.
You were saying something.
Yeah. The back doors. I mean the back door. 北京部要看一下北京部。北京部。哦。就是唱歌怎么干的？人应该洗个唱，还给我个洗，说的唱歌知道吧？唱，对。我。 把它这个不要啊，赶紧快啥点就在进来。这就罢了。长俩小子都中，你这长俩。
Hello, Andy.
Yes, Frank. Yes.
Yeah, I'm around.
Hi, Frank. Yeah, I can see you.
Minutes.
What do you see?
Oh, it's going on well.
What did you see?
I said we are following on well.
You will what?
No, I said we are following it.
人家赶紧过来。
Could you see it again?
Hello, Andy.
Yes.
We can't
Yes, my
hear
brother.
anything. The speaking is not coming.
What?
The sound is not coming.
Yeah, the sun is lifting. We're lifting the sun. Have you checked the sun? Have you watched? Now it's lifting the sun now.
Yeah, the sound is not coming from your end.
No, the sun is lifting. Have you seen the sun?
Yes. But I mean, we can't hear anything.
You cannot hear anything. Yeah, the sun will this time the sun will not loud. Will not be allowed. We just show the sound. The sound is since we do not have the person who can turn on the sound. We are not a professional. We just lift the sound and make let you see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Of course, sorry. Okay. Neighbor, why? Yo, Papa. Hello, Pastor. Hello. Pastor. Hello, Pastor. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. Yes. Let me be as a light, you know. Audience light in count. But I say, like, was a omudi ni na chair stage, you know, so a bit audience, you know. So the Oma fix it and Oma fix it only we know stage in the I don't make that audience they don't want you know. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and Pastor. Hello. Yeah, Pastor Frank. Yes, yeah, me to so. If I light, no, not be say, lighter. I bet to me, I cover about 100 by 100 meters. Hello. LED lighter. Let me cover about 100 by 100 meters. Hello, Pastor. Yes, hello. Now maybe say the light, you know, as so almost white lighter, I bet to me a bright here about 100 by 100 square meter, 100 by 100 meters scope. So when it finished, yes. Hello. Hello. Hello, yeah, Pastor, yeah, meet you. Yeah, different altogether. Okay. You.
And when you're LED,
Take the wrong patterns. Yeah, so that's why we make the training for you. That's why I make the training for you, and we will send people to your place to make the training. And you need to train. I will suggest that you can use one or two persons who specially do the training. Set up the stage with wireless remote is very easy. It's very easy and not complicated. It's very easy. And so if you learn that, it is just a step by step. Don't make a miss. Because, for example, if you set up the speed, first of all, set up the hydraulic legs. If you do not set up the hydraulic legs, it's okay. It also can set up. But, set up the hydraulic legs will make the speed much more safe, more steady. So, we will make the technical menus and specifications for you to follow that. You can in first step, second step, and third step. You can follow that frequently. And if you operate one or two times, you'll be very familiar with that.
Okay.
Very easy.
Okay.
Yeah.
One question again, please.
Hello.
Let me ask this question so that I don't forget, sir. The LED screen inside.
Yeah,
Our roads in Africa here, our roads is not more balanced. It's sometimes very funny. So one question I want to ask is the LED screen, how tight it is inside the truck, so that if there is a shaking balancing, what happens to it?
Yeah. Great.
Can you explain a little bit more?
The LED screen, there is a LED screen inside the truck.
Yeah.
Okay, our road in Africa is not good. It's balancing, sometimes very bad road.
Yeah.
And it's very funny.
Yeah.
Question I want to know is how safe it is in the truck when the road is very balanced and rough and not good road.
Are you going to ask some of it?
The level system we talked about is a level system listed in that list. We're not talking about office light.
Hello, Daddy.
Yeah, Josh.
Now more referred to documents now. More than my na. I was seeing who specifications in now was our document in him.
Yeah, and
A woman dia bet me abisa woman. And then I also told my back said, did we pay for audience light? Think I nya sa document na nanka technical for na scrutinize you who say we wom.
That's what I was saying. Some of the things in
you also bounce it back to us.
They are not part of the agreements.
Okay.
Hello, Daddy. Daddy. Hello.
Yes.
Let me be
Yes, Moro.
we're not almost saying, like my maybe after 5 years and every 1 year for servicing of the adult.
Yeah, those all are all
Those
those are all agreements. Those questions are all part of the agreement.
Actually,
to the best of my knowledge, I don't think audience light was part of the meeting, but you have to check.
Hello, Daddy.
Yes.
Say, ebeboa ye ni a, ye betumi abisa wo mo say, ye rep no onhwe ma yen say, audience light no ye varieties ohonom, ebi ohonom a, how much is that? So that we can add
No,
up for them
what
to
we
buy.
can do now is that this question cannot be answered yet. We have to go and look through
Okay, it's well
our
understood,
document.
Daddy.
That's why I said the most questions are those you have seen on the stage.
All
Those
right.
ones, if you want understanding, they can explain. But when it comes to the details of the contract, we can't answer them here.
All
Because
right,
already
Daddy.
we have signed a contract. So we go through it, look at it, check everything, then we certify it. But we don't have the document yet.
Okay, Daddy.
I hope you get my point.
Yes, I really understand it, Dad.
Any other concern?
So, are we going to get back to them again? The way I really care now. Your question is, I bet you
Please, is there any question we can? The other concerns, we could go through our agreement and look at it. If you want to add something, we can do it. But I think what we have reached, we can close the meeting.
Okay, Daddy.
Can we close?
Yes, Daddy.
How many people will be to contain?
Good question.
Wait. Oh, because
Okay.
舞台上必须得有灯光，他打效果王出打观众就必须得有灯光。
哦，
他等于是地上挂了，地上是12台嘛。
地上一个。没亮这几个。这几个没亮。
电源线不够。
哦。
有亮了，等于亮了4台，有这个8台没亮。
Okay.
Yes, sir. But what me say, because Osha enim na omo extend there enim stands me who say a gap kakra home. Nti nkrofa hin na betumi afa say gina so a. Because really about where you say.
Very good. Very good question. Very good question.
So where's Palchin?
Hello, okay.
Yes, sir. Hello.
The whole thing
all
the details concerns. Please, you can write them, and then the technical people can meet and go through it again. All after the other, one after the other, based upon the contract. If there's nothing in there, they have to reproduce it. So by today, we wanted to look at the whole thing how it's going to be set up. They will bring somebody to Ghana to come and train our people. In addition, when they are bringing the items, so that one, somebody will come from China to train as many as our team members who will be following this track to go on work. So that one, no concern. But the line is who cook it.
Pastor,
If it is not in the contract,
Pastor,
we need them.
Pastor, sorry. This question is a legitimate question. We talk about. Sorry, Pastor.
We need to
sorry, that question.
them, and they add it to whatever the things. So on that note,
what if you want a papa? If you do papa,
we also for Christ. God bless you all. God bless you all.
Pastor. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Pastor, the question Ken asks is very legitimate. Legitimate. And we need to ask the question here now for their answer, because he said that the legs he saw under the stage look like, and how many people can he take? It's very little, because if there is something to reinforce it, then we talk. Then if they can do reinforcement, we know how we do our things on the stages. You see how we dance, we jump, we run on the stages. So we should know that. It's very a good question. So please kindly help us to answer that question. Thank you.
I don't know. There's one in Ghana already.
No, Ghana already. We are asking our question.
Depend the way we do our things. Sometimes
we are doing this is a Ghana. We are not saying someone's own.
And you can feel the stage, shaking.
Yeah.
And this one, that's my point.
Andy,
the way we do at the last, you know, the way we become.
You answer, please. Let Andy answer for us. Andy.
Yeah. Okay.
How many people can the stage take at a time?
听懂，就是舞台上这个舞台一起能站多少人 ？Yes, I'm listening. I'm listening.
站个，我想想啊。
The stage take at a time.
Okay, let me.
100-200人应该，哎呀，我看能站多少人？一平方能站几个人呢？一平方能站俩人，一米能站仨人。仨人的话，14米乘上个10米。
People can be on the stage at a time.
10米吧，14米，10米，140。
乘一个3。
站个200-300人不成问题。
300. 300. Frank.
300.
Yeah, 300.
Okay. And then are you okay?
That and the weight.
He is saying that.
That and the weight. He can give us the weight, the maximum weight.
Yeah.
In kilograms.
Dancing
on it, or they are just working slowly. So Ken, if he's able to give us the weight, he's able to contain. Then we will calculate that with the number of persons he's talking about.
承重呢不是1平方296公斤，主地板400公斤。
Andy.
外边是300公斤，里边是
400公斤。
What is the weight of the stage? The weight.
Per square meters. We use per square meters. Per square meters 1 meter by 1 meter. Per square meter for the main stage. The main stage, for the main stage it is 400 kilograms per square meters. And for the stand-up stage, it is 300 kilograms per square meter. You understand me?
Okay.
Yeah.
300 kilograms.
Justice, are you okay?
Yeah, I heard him say 300 kilograms.
Yes, 300 kilograms per square meter. Per square meter.
Okay.
Yeah, per square meter. This is for the setup stage. For the main stage. Do what I mean main stage. Main stage means the pillar chassis is the floor. The pillar chassis is the main floor. The pillar chassis main floor is 400 kilograms per square meters. Stand-up stage, using hydraulic legs, using hydraulics. Stand-up stage, it is 300 kilograms per square meters.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jazz, are you okay?
Yeah, I think a bit okay, but unless we see the document, we'll be able to understand and appreciate it better.
Okay.
You're right. Yeah.
Thank you.
Very important.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you very much. We'll end it here. And then we will continue from tomorrow. God bless you all. Andy, thank you very much. We are grateful.
Manuel, do you have
Bye-bye.
questions? Manuel, have questions.
Andy, don't worry. I'll see you. We'll talk about it when I meet you. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
French. So